friends, let's start Course C. Let's go to Google Chrome, type code.org, and press enter, then sign in. And I already signed in. Press view course. Continue lesson. And press more. Then alright. And you have to go here back. Let's go to course catalog and press K, that's 5. We done course B, now we're doing course C. And we're doing programming with Angry Birds. You can watch this video, but I won't for now. It says, for this puzzle, drag all of the blocks together and click run to watch it go. Put it and drag it. Woohoo! It says drag an extra move forward block out of the toolbox to finish your code. Drag, drag, drag. Let's press run and see. Ta-da! It says, this pig is ruffling my feathers. There is one extra block that is going to cause the bird to crash. Throw it away by unhooking the gray blocks and drag it back to the toolbox. Okay. And go move forward. There's a double gray block. There. This, what? Not throwable. Now use this. Let's take a look when you press run. Alright, we're on the next step. It says, chase the path and lead me to the silly pig. Avoid the TNT or feathers will fly. That means you have to go move forward, turn right, and then move forward, turn left, move forward. Let's take a look when we press run. Ta-da! It says, follow this path to get me to the pig. Avoid the TNT. Move forward, move forward, move forward. Turn left. And move forward, move forward. Let's take a look when you press run. Let me try again. I got an extra block there I didn't know. Ta-da! Alright, we're on the next step. Keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Otherwise, I might get angry. Get the bird to the pig and avoid the TNT. You can go up, then like that. I'll go like this, down. There. 1. Turn left. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. There. All right, we're on the next step. It says challenge puzzle. Challenge puzzles are lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best that you can. I'm ready. This is a challenge. It says it's time to get angry. Challenge. This code has lots of bugs. You will need to remove some blocks and add others. Move forward, turn right, turn forward. No, this is 1 extra block. Then after over here, then go over here, and then 1, 2, 3. Then turn left. It's not dragging. Now it's dragging. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. There. Oh my gosh. I'm having a hard time. Open. There. And the second one. There. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is the last bug and I'm done. Oh. Oh. There. Let's take a look when we press run. I found the wrong answer. There, now it will work. Ta-da! We are on the next step. It says, keep calm and help me find the bad pig. Move forward. Turn left. Move forward. Wait, move forward, turn left. Move forward. move forward, and there. Eat. Not again. Can't do it. There. Now, after that, turn left again. Then move forward. Let's take a look at your person. I think there's expo. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Then turn left and get the pig. Turn left. Everything's correct. I think it's just this. Oh. That's an extra block. I got it. There. Let's take a look when you press run. Woohoo! It says read through the code below very carefully. What will happen when you press run? Okay, this is totally. It will go. Wait, it'll go. Okay, it'll go there, turn down, crash. The bird will crash into the wall. I know. Oh, it won't. Oh, Dad. How do we do it? So I think the answer was B. It says incorrect. This code gets the bird perfectly to the pig. Alright then. I'm going to the next one. So now help me sneak on the pig any way you want to. This looks like a hard one. I can't make it. There. There. Now, you have to turn left, go 1, 2 step, turn left, move forward, turn right, move forward. Hey, let's check what we have. Fish. There we go. Let's take a look when you press run. There. The other way. Other way. Then it'll go 1, Now again. One, two, three, 5 there. Let's take a look when you press run. There. There and there and then there, then there. This code will probably work. One. And this is out. Oh, finally. So today we finished programming with Angry Birds, and I'll see you in the